Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Arch. Next week's theme will be Mother's Day. And so if you have anything that you would like to create for Mother's Day, please join in. We also enter this collab into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So this week, these are the items that I am using. This is from Chaos Craft. It is mini sunflower dies. And then I'm also using this embossing folder, which is by Cuddlebutt. And I don't know the name of that one, but something kitchen. That's what I'm using. From Stampendous, I'm using this Happy Birthday from there. Spellbinders, I am using these here. Altenew, I don't know what the name of this is, but anyways, it was that rose that everybody was after years ago, and I'm using this rose. I didn't use the leaves. I got my leaves from the sunflower die, and then I'm also using, I think this one here from this set. This is from Spellbinders, and what is the name of this? Make-A-Wish Arch Labels, and I'm using this one right here. And then for My Creative Time, I'm using this rectangle here. And so here are the cards that I created. I really like how they turned out. I needed to make some cards for First Lady at Church, and so it's her birthday, so this one will be her actual birthday card. And I actually ran out of that tan, so I put black behind hers. So I thought that was okay to do that. And so this is the first one I made. I did heat emboss all of the sentiments, and added some gems. They all look the same. I only finished off the inside with that My Creative Time die. And other than the sentiment and the colors, all of them look the same. I thought they turned out really cute. So I was able to kill two birds with one stone. I used arches for us, and I just focused on that and made the cards to coordinate for our First Lady. But that's all I have for you. Make sure you go ahead and use those hashtags if you'd like to join us. And that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.